What happened when you turn on your computer? You press the power button, but what actually happens inside your computer? It feels instant. But in reality, dozens of complex steps happen before you see your desktop. When you press the power button, electricity flows through the motherboard. The CPU, RAM, storage, and other components wake up from a powered-off state. The motherboard runs a small program called BIOS or UEFI. It checks your hardware, CPU, memory, keyboard, storage device. This process is called post-power-on self-test. Once everything is working, the system looks for a bootable device. This could be an SSD, HDD, or USB drive. The bootloader is a tiny program that knows how to start the operating system. It loads the core of the OS into memory. Now, the operating system takes control. It loads drivers, manages memory, starts background service. Finally, you see the login screen or desktop. At this point, your computer is fully operational. Understanding this process helps you understand operating systems and appreciate how computers really work. So the next time you turn on your computer, remember a complex system just came to life in seconds. Subscribe for more simple explanations about computers and technology.